everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you're new, my name's Ellie and I do beauty, fashion, lifestyle content over on this channel. So in today's video, I've got a really highly requested one from you guys. You've all wanted to see a what's on my iPhone video since getting my new iPhone 13 Pro Max. So that is what I'm going to be doing for you today. I have had this phone for a good few months now and yeah, I'm obsessed. I absolutely love this phone so much. Yeah, anyway, if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure you go follow me over on my Instagram and my TikTok. And without further ado, let's get on into the video. So, like I say, I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is what it looks like. Just take this case off it and just show you. Here is my iPhone 13 Pro Max. I got it in Sierra Blue. Oh, it's just so beautiful. It's got like the frosted glass, the 3 cameras. I just love it so much. And then obviously the mirrored side as well. It's such a beautiful iPhone. I'm absolutely obsessed. You all know, if you watched my iPhone 11 unboxing and iPhone 11 what's on my iPhone video, that I was absolutely obsessed with that iPhone too. That iPhone and this iPhone are very on par with each other. I love my iPhone 11 because of the colour, like the colour of it. Oh, it's just insane. I still am in love with that colour today. Love this one as well. I chose this one because the blue was just the best colour for me actually. I just fell in love with that colour. I do like a colourful iPhone, you know, now. I used to go on the plain side quite a lot. But yeah, now I'm really liking a nice colourful iPhone. Not like too bright. I still like the muted down tones of colour. But yeah, I do love a good colour of an iPhone. So yeah, I picked the Sierra Blue and yeah, I'm not disappointed at all because I'm obsessed. So yeah, I'm just gonna crack on. So here is my iPhone. So at the minute I have this phone case on it here. You've all gone like quite mad over this phone case actually on my unboxing video. If I can find the link, I will link it down below, but if I can't, then that's why I have not linked it down below. Just literally a silicone blue, like baby blue phone case. It's really soft from Amazon. Like if you literally just search that on Amazon, then you'll find one. But yeah, so this is the phone case that I've got on it at the minute, but I have actually got a parcel here. Now this parcel is from Wrappz phone cases, Wrappz.com. Now I have collabed with Wrappz before in the past, and yeah, I love their phone cases. They're just so nice. So they have kindly sent me 4 phone cases here to show you all. Wrappz is basically a website where you can personalize your own phone cases. You can put your name on, you can choose between the different phone cases. You can have clear phone cases, you can have tough phone cases just to protect your phone that little bit more. Yeah, they do so much on there. They do other things other than phone cases too. I'll leave the website link down below too, and I've also got a discount code for you all, so I'll leave that on the screen as well. So anyway, the first one we have is this one here. This is one of the clear phone cases from Wrappz. It just looks like so. I'm going to pop it on my phone because you will be able to see it so much better. So they go on so easily, clip like that, and it's on. It makes your phone still feel like really thin. Sometimes I love a really good like tough phone case, but obviously most of the time they can be quite bulky. So having a clear phone case like this may not be so protective like as a tough phone case would be, but these still look like so nice. This is what this one looks like. It is stunning. So it has got a massive letter E on there, as you can see, and then it also says Eleanor, which if you didn't know, my full name is Eleanor, not Eleanor, Eleanor. So yeah, I love this one. I have already had this one on my phone before. I am obsessed. Then we have this clear one here, so I'm gonna pop that one on, take this one off. They're so easy to get on and off as well. Clip, clip, clip. And then this is this one. This one is really simple but effective. So it is clear so you can see the beautiful colour of your iPhone through it. And then it has my name in like this italic writing at the bottom. Then we have this one here. Now this one is a picture personalised one. And this one is one of the tough phone cases. So I'm just going to pop this on my phone. Here is this one. This has just got a picture of me and Sam on it, just from New Year's Eve, and yeah, I love this. I love it because it's personalised. Put your own picture on it It is so cute. It's also the glossy finish, and yeah, I love it. If I remember rightly, you can choose the glossy finish or the matte finish. So that is that one, and then we have one last one which is just here, and again it's another clear one with my name on it. I'll pop that on my phone for you so you can see. I think I also got this one for my iPhone 11 too when I got it from Wrappz, and I loved it that much that I wanted to get it again for this phone. So yeah, it just says Ellie like that, and I absolutely love it. That is all of the cases that I have to show you. I will leave the link to the website down below. I will also leave the discount code in the description down below for you and leave it on the screen here. And yeah, thank you so much to Wrappz for sending me out these cases. I love them. So I'm just going to get straight into it. I've moved over to the side now, and I'm going to display the phone here on the screen for you guys. So as you can see, this is my lock screen. I just have this picture of me and my best friend. So I've got a picture of me, Fran and Jem. I love this picture. It's a picture of a Polaroid, and we got this on Fran's birthday. Yeah, I just think this is such a cute picture, and I just love Polaroids. They're just so nice. So if we swipe up and open my phone, this is what you see. Now yeah, I really do love the layout of my iPhone, to be honest. I just think it's really nice. I love how I've used the widgets as well. So when I first got this iPhone, I just wanted to keep on the blue theme, because obviously my iPhone is blue, so I went with the light blue theme. So this is my first page. At the top here we have this medium-sized widget, and it just has the day and the date, and obviously the year. And we go below that, and we have a picture here of my Canon G7 X. This is actually my picture, the blue sky. And yeah, I just thought it was a really nice aesthetic picture that I took last year. And yeah, I just wanted it on my home screen because it fitted in with the aesthetic. It fitted in with the blue. So that is there. Then I have some of my social media apps, like my main ones. So I've got Facebook, which is my private Facebook. I've got Snapchat, which I use sometimes. I don't use it all the time. I literally just chat to my friends on that and send stupid Snapchats to them, basically. Then I have my Instagram and my TikTok, which obviously I use all the time. Follow me over on my Instagram if you don't already. Here is a little sneak peek. That is my Instagram. Have a look what's on my stories. So this was just telling you guys that I had a new video incoming. So this is the thing, if you are following me over on my Instagram, I will always update my Instagram stories on when a new video is coming out for YouTube. So that is a really good place to be if you want to obviously keep up to date. Or you could just turn the notification bell on, and obviously you'll get notified every time I upload as well. I uploaded my cherries haul last night, which is here. So make sure you go watch that if you haven't. I watched Grease last night with my family and my little cousin because it was only right. I basically put that on the story, as you can see. It's only right to watch it because obviously we've lost the great Olivia Newton-John. Like, rest in peace. She was such a legend, honestly. But yeah, that is my Instagram. Then we have my TikTok, so here's my TikTok. Make sure you follow me over there as well if you haven't already. The views are really rubbish at the minute, and it's so annoying. Okay, I'm just gonna try and post as much as I can. Consistency is key. But then we have my YouTube app here. We have the YouTube Studio app, YouTube Tracker, which I don't really use anymore, but this is so good if you're not monetized yet. So let it just load. So it basically tells you your watch time in minutes, and obviously, no, not your watch time in minutes. Basically tells you your watch time in hours and your subscriber count as well. So obviously here, as you can see, it's got out of the 1,000 and 4,000 mark. So this was amazing when I was trying to keep track of like how many hours I was to hit the obviously being monetized on YouTube. So if you're not monetized on YouTube yet, this app is amazing, like, to track that. So obviously you can track your 1,000 subscriber count and your 4,000 watch hours, and then you'll be monetized. So yeah, that is what I use this for. I don't really use it anymore, but I like to keep it. Then I have my Twitter, just looks like so. I don't really use Twitter as much as I use my other platforms, but yeah, this is my Twitter if you want to follow me on there. The last thing on this page, I have another widget smith, which is just a small one. It just has a little quote there from Pinterest, and it just says, "You are beautiful." Just a little uplifting motivation, like obviously when you're first unlocked my iPhone. I may as well just talk about this now while we're on here, because you have the little bar at the bottom on an iPhone which stays obviously on every single page, but on the bottom bar I just have like my main things that I use. So I've got my phone, which like obviously I call people, my messages, my Safari and my emails. So yeah, that is the first page. Then we go to the second one, and this is what this one looks like. So we've got this big, large Widgetsmith here, which is again my photo. I love this photo too. So I took this in summer last year, was it? Or it might have been the year before maybe. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's just this Starbucks cup filled with water, just to remind me to like drink water basically, because I am rubbish at drinking water. And yeah, it's just got the blue sky in it again, so obviously fits in with the aesthetic, fits in with the theme. This is how I've just laid out this page. I just like laying them out differently on each page. So yeah, this is how this one's laid out. I have got my Outlook emails, which is all of my social media emails. I like to keep separate emails, so I like my personal emails to be in that one down at the bottom, and then my Outlook emails are all everything to do with like my social media. So all my Instagram, my TikTok and my YouTube mainly emails are all in that. So then obviously it's all organised and I'm not just bombarded by spam all the time. Don't get me wrong, I still get spam like everyone does, but yeah, it's just so much easier to keep them apart like that. Then I have my Messenger app, which is obviously for my Facebook, but that just stays private. That is literally just for my family and friends. Then I have WhatsApp, I have my Lloyds Bank, which is my personal banking. Then I have my camera app, my photo app, my notes and PayPal. So that is that page. Then the next page is set out like this. So we have 3 more widgets on this page, and then obviously a few more apps that I use. So at the top we have this small widget which has just got these cute little butterflies on. Again from Pinterest. I love Pinterest. You can find some really nice like aesthetic pictures on there. So that is that. Then we've got the calendar, settings, maps and Spotify. Then we've got Fonto, which is such a good app. I use that app for my thumbnails sometimes. I change between Fonto and Canva. They're the two that I use. Then we've got Lightroom, which is really good for editing Instagram pictures, like putting a filter on them. Making your own filters as well, that's really good for that. Unfold is really good for Instagram stories. I love that for that. Facetune is amazing for like whitening up backgrounds. I also like using the details feature, which helps like make your eyes stand out. Like when I'm taking a selfie and it's like an up close one, I love my eyes to pop, so that is why I use that too. It's really good for that. Then I've got this next one, which is another picture from Pinterest. It's just like a random like collage of pictures of like all to do with the colour blue. Then we've got this other widget, which is clouds, which just looks so nice and fluffy, so I just really like that picture, so that's why I put that there. And then we have 4 more apps, which is my Flow app, amazing for tracking periods, love it. Pinterest, obviously we know I love, which I've already said. The weather app, and then the App Store. And then we go on to the last page, and this one's like just a little bit more like little. This one's just like very minimal. I've not got that many things on this page. I didn't feel like I needed to fill this one up. So at the top we have a medium Widgetsmith again, and it just says enjoy the little things with a little blue background, so it fits in with the aesthetic yet again. Then we have my contacts, Amazon, Hive, which is the heating and water control for my house. So I can just do it from my phone rather than go into like the mains. And then we have this little folder here with just all shopping stuff and games basically. And then the last app we have is CapCut, which is what I use for TikTok to edit like videos and everything on. Also, this is my home screen picture, so it's just a picture of clouds. Can't remember if this one's my picture or if I got this one off Pinterest, because I remember taking a picture like this when me and Sam went to Tenerife of the clouds because they looked so pretty. But yeah, this might not be my picture, it might be Pinterest, so I'm not going to take like credit for that. But yeah, it's just this really pretty cloud picture anyway, and it fitted in with my theme so well. So yeah, that is it basically. That is everything that is on my iPhone. That is a what's on my iPhone video. I hope that it was interesting enough for you. If you do have any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I'll get back to you. I do know one question though that will probably get asked, and it's obviously how to do the widget smith thing. I'm sure I included it in my what's on my iPhone video. I'll put a screenshot on screen now of the video I think that I put it in. I think it's doing like creating all the apps and doing all the apps as well, but obviously I don't do that anymore. I just use the widgets. But yeah, I'm sure that video has in there how to do it all properly and the step-by-step. So go and watch that video if you do want to know how to do the widgets and everything. Then yeah, go watch that video of mine and yeah, you'll be able to know how to do it. Thank you to Wrappz for gifting me these phone cases. Make sure if you do shop on Wrappz, you use my discount code. I'll pop it on the screen again. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure you go follow me over on my Instagram and my TikTok. And yeah, that is it from me today. And I will see you next time with a brand new video. Bye.